Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video, I am going to show you on how to stop iPhone account password changes right now. So in order to do that, you'll have to go to your phone's settings. Okay, and then scroll down and click on screen time. And then you'll have to turn on screen time. Okay, that's right. And then continue. And this is my iPhone. So turn on screen time. Now scroll down and click on use screen time passcode. So this is very important. Now create your passcode. Okay, confirm it. And then you can skip this part here. Okay, just do this and then skip. Okay, now click on content and privacy restrictions. And then turn on this switch here. Okay, now you'll have to type out your passcode that you have just created. And then scroll down and look for passcode changes and click on it. And of course, click on don't allow. Okay, now also the account changes, click on don't allow. So now people will not be able to change your account password since you have put a passcode to your restrictions and nobody could be able to touch it. For example, this one here. You cannot change the Apple ID, iCloud, and media and purchases. So that's it. That's how you can stop iPhone account passcode changes now. So don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye bye.